This is my dad. He is snoring. Snoring.
Our evangelist, will you remember when pick up the past? Past ain't supposed to be past. Now you want the past.
Come get in the bed. When? Come get in the bed. I said you'd be more comfortable. You don't want to stretch out on the bed? Come on. Why are you looking like that? Well, let's stop.
It's not Putin.
I thought she did.
Laughing so hard you poop.
I don't want to get in bed.